So, welcome in the south of the Netherlands, in Hapert, where we got a meeting with Joris Cabri from Apex. He's the Vice President Sales of Europe and Africa, and he's going to help us out about our latest showroom project. It's cold outside, so let's go in. Hey Joris, good to see you. How are you?
Peter, thank you. I'm doing fine. And yourself?
Good, yeah, excellent. So for our latest showroom project, we're looking for some incredible opportunities to enhance the packaging market even further. So I think you're the right person to learn more about. Can you explain a little bit more about Apex?
Apex is like Komori, a family-owned company, and we're more than 25 years present in the business, and we're mainly focusing on Anilox Rolls. Apex has 7 companies worldwide. It means we have 5 printing companies and 2 embossing companies. And we're focusing to serve our customers globally. Let's have a look together?
Yeah, excellent. Look forward to it. Thanks.
Let's go. As you can see, we have a lot of Anilox rolls in our system here. So on a daily basis, trucks come here, they load off, and all of the rolls are waiting for inspection. As you can see, we like medium and big size rolls. Yeah. That's also our production has been focusing on. If you look here in the corrugated industry, everybody knows carton is printing. Also in your region, in offset printing, you use on carton.
Definitely. Yeah.
So it's packaging and commercial print.
Yeah.
I think this has a great value also for you in the end, what we can do together.
Yeah, excellent.
So every roll comes in here and will be checked. And as you can see, these rolls are all being used.
So what we actually from customers, actually.
Correctly. So we work with a lot of customers together. So if you look with in the offset coating industry and the corrugated, Apex is present around the globe, and we're responsible for Europe and Africa. And I think if you look to here, it's a great variety of products.
Yeah, definitely. That's good. Let's say one of our customers, they're considering a double coater. So what do you need to take into account when you think about the double coater solution?
If you look to a double coater system, normally it's a primer UV system, where you are looking for a smooth and close surface at the primer, so that you need less UV coating in the end. And I think with our GDT technology, we're able to have a closed surface, where you also have less UV coating needed in order to achieve a very good gloss result. I think that's one of the strengths and the best product we have at the moment.
So with the double coat, you can also acquire a lot of savings.
Absolutely. If you look now, in our country, a lot of CO2 reduction is very hot at the moment. If you look now, what we can do is have thinner line of coating, which also means which is a closed surface, and then you add a UV on top of it. Yeah. Then instead of applying a lot of coating, you can do a minimum coating and still have a very good gloss level.
Oh, that's amazing. Good.
Absolutely. Good.
So we know from our customers and also from our showroom that we have excellent results.
Yeah.
What's your secret?
I think one of the best ingredients what we can do is our laser engraving process. Normally all the Anilox rolls are used like a woody woodpecker laser.
Yeah.
They're creating thousands of bits per second. And GDT, which is a slalom engraving, is our patented structure which we've developed ourselves, which allows us to transfer unique coating transfer to the substrate.
And that's been engraved right here in this room.
In this room with all these kind of lasers.
So if we would zoom into the walls, we would see a pattern like this.
Absolutely. So this is a typical GDT slalom engraving, which is a really unique product what we have here. This is what we also supply to Komori. All the rolls we supply for Komori will have this structure.
So I see a lot of Anilox rolls. Do we also have a stock level for Komori?
Of course. So we have several types for Komori on stock, which means normally for the GL40 or the LX29 series, so we can deliver you fast to you, so you can supply to your customers in case of emergency.
So all the customers in Europe, they can expect a quick delivery on the Anilox rolls?
Of course they can. So we have a sister plant, so in the end also as a semi-finished product, we can start production over here. And normally within 10 working days the roll is ready.
Excellent, good,
Yeah.
That's good.
So Peter, this is our auditorium where we do educational seminars for all our customers.
Looks good.
Absolutely. So we try to teach our customers everything what we are going to develop, and we do it a few times per year. So as you can see, we can also do it together with you, with Komori.
Excellent. Looks amazing.
Yeah, we think so too.
Speaking about education, we've created a few samples in the graphic center. Shall we have a closer look?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Yeah. So Joris, in the graphic center, we've created different samples using different Anilox Rolls. Can you explain a little bit more about the differences?
Yeah, of course, no problem. So we just explained a little bit about the different types, and GTT is our patented product. And we created and decided many years ago to have 5 different flavors in the offset coating industry to make it more unified. So like the clothing you're wearing is like an S, M, L, XL and XXL, which means that the XL and XXL normally used in the packaging industry, especially also developed for your new printing press.
Yeah.
So the difference is the M transfers less coating compared to the L. So what we've done is we've done a lot of trials together, and we've seen that the M is perfectly for matte engraving. So matte surfaces, you know, it's a very nice and smooth laydown without any pinholes. And the L is for a very high gloss level.
Is there anything that you can also let us know about the latest trends in the industry?
We have a lot of questions about CO2 reduction. It's a hot topic not only in our country but around Europe. And what we've noticed is that we have promised and also showed to customers less coating, more gloss is also applicable to CO2 reduction. Because if you can apply a thinner coating layer with no pinholes, means also you have a higher gloss value and less coating, which also means that you need less coating is also less CO2. So that's the way how Apex can support into the CO2 reduction process.
All right, excellent, Joris. Thank you very much. It was really impressive to see.
So it's nice to see you again.
Definitely. See you soon again.
See you soon.
So excellent. I hope you enjoyed this visit. I did. I think we found an excellent partner for our showroom project. But that's not all. Next week we will go to Germany for our next project. Hope to see you soon. Stay tuned.
Komori. Count on us.